Took a trade here. Thank you. Took a trade here during the macro session. Measured this bearish for the block. Came down to 1 standard deviation retracement. Just a second. Hello, Mr. Tracy Francis calling for Perry. I'm calling on behalf of the defendant in regards to an email I sent a few weeks ago about cybersecurity operations for non-for-profits. I'd like to know if Perry would like to continue discussion about the content of the email. I can reach at 773-977-8442. I'll try to get back as well as talk with you shortly. Thank you. So the idea here was to get a strong liquidity during a macro session. So we're looking at the lunch macro session. This inverse fair value gap held. We kind of have another one right here. And we have this retracement here. This could be a bullish shorter block, which we could retrace down into this here, inefficiency, and continue going up higher. I want to aim for the previous day opening range gap high. Maybe take a partial if we can get up here. But as we can see, strong movement down, which is not a surprise. 1, 2, 3, kind of 4 or 5 kind of run. So we'll see what this will entail. All right, so I measured this bearish or bull short block here, and we went to 2 standard deviation. So we'll see. I want to see this fair value gap remain open, and this is a demo trade, paper trade. So yes, I understand we are stuck in consolidation. So hence the reason why this is a demo trade, and trying to be mindful of the macro session. So I figured to take that. I'm going to take off these brilliant colors of our new week opening gap. And it's like we have a swing high here. Take out this previous 5-minute candle. It's high, but yeah, we're stuck in consolidation. So not the highest probability trade, hence why we're taking this in a demo. But nonetheless, we'll see what we can get with this. One of the things that we can do is look for optical trade entry. See if we are in a discount of the immediate price range on the 1 minute. All right, here's our equilibrium. Here's our optical trade entry. You know, one of the questions was, man, why couldn't we get in below optical trade entry? That way we stay green. For that to happen, we'd have to get in lower down here and accept the fact that, hey, this trade might not work and get stopped out rather quickly. So let's see what we get here. Small retracement equilibrium. This inefficiency here should act as an inverse fair value gap for us to support the move down lower. But if we, it's like about expecting it, if we continue to move up higher, then I'd like to see this fair value gap here become inversed. And then 1 standard deviation puts us up here and taking a very modest move here to previous day original. ORG is valid. We have some consolidation, so breakthrough here, go up here will be nice, and then that would take us to almost 4 standard deviation of this original bullish for the block on the 5-minute from this morning. So that's what we got going on right now. Let's just sit here and watch. I gotta make a pit stop. Be right back. All right, so it looks like we're still doing well. Came down topical trend entry, potential inverse fair value gap here, and officially outside of that macro session after taking that draw liquidity here at 12 p.m. Launch macro. Um, yeah. So from here on out, I'm really not interested in anything, taking a trade until we cross over 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Looks like we are in a new 15-minute. So let's see the first quarter or period of that 15-minute form a wick. Price is permissible to move down here. So let's see. We do have this entire fair value, this pretty big fair value gap right here on the one. So we could move down in there. Boom. Continue moving up higher. Let's see if we can hit it right here and continue moving up higher. This is a lot of accumulation. So let's see if we can hit there and continue moving up higher, or if we're going to go through it. We can argue this is stage one, stage two, run up, boom here. So um, what I would like to do here is move my stop loss to break even, at least below here. So we'll be stopped out in profit, paying our commission fees and all that good stuff. So let's see if we can get these 50 points here. Outside of those 50 points, we do have a previous day high. Let's just see. Let's look at the 4 hour really quickly. So previous day high is here. So we're coming off. So that looks. See what we get with this. So what we did do well was getting in on a discount. The reason why we chose to get in on this discount is after that drawn liquidity during the. All right, so we stopped out. Drawn liquidity during that macro session, and that inverse fair value gap. So now we're out. We came very close to taking out that drawn liquidity there, but maybe this equilibrium here of the previous day range, opening range gap. Went right to the constant encroachment of it. Boom. And then here we are going back again, going back up. So really have no. It's supposed to be a little bit lower here. Yep. So this is another opportunity to get in on this within this range here, but it should be actually higher. So, um, but yeah, that's it for me. Took a quick little double trade, get the reps in, work on the jitters, and just to practice the execution, practice the process. So that's it for me today, and maybe I'll be back in the afternoon. But peace.